Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install VMware Workstation Pro 17 for free on Windows 10. VMware has made Workstation Pro 17 free for personal use. So first thing we need to do, we'll open up a browser. I have a link in the description to go exactly to their website to get the download. So here on VMware's website, we can scroll down to VMware Workstation Pro download. So we'll click here. So if you don't have an account, click here on log in, and then we'll do register. Type your email address, enter your text image, click next. All right, now we need to verify our email address. Check your email and just copy the verification code, and then you can paste it in here. Verify, continue, and then enter your details. Then click create account. Now we're registered successfully. All right, now we can go back to the other tab and sign in. If you wanted to remember your email, just click next. Type your password. Now you're logged in. All right, so on this screen, we want to select VMware Workstation Pro 17 for personal use for Windows. So we'll click that. We want versions, the newest one, 17.6, so we'll click that. All right, we need to agree to the terms and conditions up here, or else it won't let you download. So we have that checked. Now we select this one, VMware Workstation Pro for personal use for Windows, and then we can hit this download button here. Prior to downloading this file, additional verification is required. Proceed, yes. And then here you can just enter your address. All this is free. It's just, they want your information. Submit. All right, now we can hit the download button. And now our download has started here. It's about 448 megabytes. All right, download is done. Let's go into our download folder. All right, let's double click here. Yes. Let me exit out of all these other windows. All right, we'll click next. I accept. You can read all this stuff. Click next. Add VMware Workstation Console tool in the path. That's fine, you can do that. Check for product updates on startup if you want to. I don't want to join the customer experience improvement program. I do want shortcuts for the desktop and the menus program folder, so I'll click next and we'll install. Everything's complete. We can click finish. And now VMware Workstation is installed. We'll double click, start it up. And here, just click use VMware Workstation 17 for personal use. Click continue. Click finish. And now you have a working version of Workstation Pro 17. If you liked this video, like and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.